good evening guys. Welcome to Flame 1808. I don't think you understand what I say. We are gonna buy a mouse. Two mouse we're gonna buy. We're gonna see you there in just a moment. Okay guys, we are at CDR King. CDR King. Right over there. We're gonna buy a mouse. I'm just gonna pause for a while. See you later. Ate.
Ito na lang.
Wait lang. Stupid haircut. Mouse po. Magkano ba? Saan ka ba bibili dun sa kabila?
Dito.
Dito na rin.
Oo.
See you guys there. Okay guys, we're right at CDR King. I'm gonna show you what we'll buy. Mouse. We're gonna buy a mouse. We're gonna buy a mouse, okay guys? The one who played the guitar. Stay with me. See you later. Ano pa ba kulay na? May iba't kulay pa ba? We're gonna buy a mouse. Mouse. There. We bought a green mouse. We gotta wait at this line. That's so very long line. Change your plans, guys. Change your plans. We change to black. Black mouse. The green mouse is so small. That guy is gonna use it. Look at that. He's a giant. Uy, ang ganda ng kulay yun.
Ayan.
Ganda ang kulay.
Ayan. Ako yung white. May mouse trap.